It's a glorious day here at Cabinet Joint. I'm Justin, and in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you a Girasolo blind corner pullout. As you guys are well aware of, the corner is the hardest part. It's the biggest headache when designing a kitchen because you want to use that space efficiently, but it's a pain because you have cabinets on one side and then there's just all this dead space. Well, this is a great solution because now the blind corner cabinet itself offers you all this space that you're able to utilize, but now it makes it even easier because using this pullout, instead of having to reach back, crawl back in your cabinet, you can just pull these out and have ample storage at your fingertips. And just want to specify as well, blind corner cabinet meaning you can imagine in the kitchen, this is going to be right directly in the corner, and then another cabinet will be butting into the center style here. So all of this space will never be seen. This is what focus will be on, and then this is what allows all of the storage that would typically be hard to reach now be able to pull out and be very accessible for you. This pullout comes in 12, 15, and 18 inches, depending on your size. Make sure you talk to your cabinet coach to make sure you order the right one. And that's all there is to this pullout. Creates a lot of easily accessible storage for you, creates a lot of versatility within your kitchen. It makes the most use out of that corner. And if you're interested in getting this or you have questions, make sure you reach out to your cabinet coach, or you can call us at 888-211-6482. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.